Are you interested in learning more about Project Catalyst and current proposals in Fund 10? Are you a proposer and do you want to make sure your proposal gets even more reach in the Cardano community? Then there is a website you should know about. I'm talking about Lido Nation Catalyst Explorer that allows you to slice and dice all the relevant information about Project Catalyst. In this video, we show you how this website works and the benefits you can have from using it, but also how it works for proposers and the benefits and the reach you can have by using it as well. So here we have the Lido Nation website, as we can see here, and we have here several proposals. So we can filter them by whatever we want. Yes votes, no votes, project length, whatever. We have a lot of filters here, and this is very good. It's very easy to use and very useful because you can come here to the filter. You can see the budget for the proposals. You can choose the challenge, choose the fund. So if you want to see a proposal with a specific amount of funds, specific amount of tags, you can search by tags, which is very useful. Search by people, whatever you want, if it's open source or not. You have a lot of filters here in terms of proposals, even if they are from IDFS or not. For example, it's really interesting what we can do here with Lido Nation. And for example, in this case, I'll research my proposal. This is a proposal for a DAO for education, and that is called Cardano School. It's a DAO that supports content creators to create the content we need for Cardano to develop in terms of marketing and education to onboard people and users into Cardano and Cardano related projects. You can learn more about it in the video here in the top, where you have a simple presentation about this project that I think will be very valuable. And of course, please join us, join the Discord, give your opinion, engage, because after all, if it's a DAO, like Cardano owned and run DAO, we need the Cardano community to come and to give their contribution. But yeah, we'll research here Cardano School, and we will search it. And here it is in the first presentation. Cardano School, a decentralized autonomous organization for educational content creation. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description for you to take a read, either here or an idea scale. But yeah, you can basically see the proposal. You can vote here as well. Leave a comment and your opinion. But yeah, this is really cool for you to decide what projects you want to check, what kind of things are you interested, and you can use this Catalyst tool to slice and dice everything you want to see, instead of having to go through 1,600 proposals. That's what we have currently on. So this is very useful for you to see the projects that are building and for you to decide on the projects you want to vote, basically. But yeah, for proposals, this is also important because you can really do a lot with your proposal, like put more information here to reach the people. And you can also claim your profile and say that it's yours, so that you can add things and that you can improve it and make it more interesting for users here of Lido Nation and to reach a wider Cardano community audience. To do that, you just need to come here to sign in, and here you can log in with your account if you already have an account. If you don't, just come here to register and of course create your own account. Once you're registered, this is what you'll get. You'll basically be able to see the profiles, to manage the Lido Nation account and information, proposals, manage your proposals. You can, join a group. So very interesting what you can do here. But now that we have our login, we'll just create here on proposals. And we'll check all the proposals, and I'll show you how you can claim your own proposal. If you're a proposer, this is very useful, as I said before, to add your proposal. So basically, you just need to search either by your name or search by the author of the proposal. In this case, I'll search the proposal's name, Cardano School. I'll click OK. And here we have the proposal. Here in the proposal, we just need to come here to our profile click on the team, and we can click here on claim account. We can claim account, and we just need to add our informations and our bio. I'll add my email, and I'll also add the bio I have on Idea Scale for my proposal. I'll also add my Twitter handle and also the profile link on Idea Scale, and then I'll submit. Then you'll be given a notification code, a verification code for you to claim your account, and you should send this in a personal message to Lido Nation. Then you click that link that you have there on the Catalyst Explorer, and it will take you here to this profile of Lido Nation. Okay, and then here you can select send private message. You click here, and you'll be sending a private message for Lido Nation. So I'll just say, and then you just add your code here, you just paste it from the website, and you click on send. Really simple, right? And then you just send your message, and it's done. Okay, and it will take a while for you to be able to validate your account, but soon you should get a message saying that your account has been validated. You receive a confirmation here on Lido Nation, and from that moment onwards, when you have your validation, you're able to upload a quick pitch from the dashboard and do all the kinds of improvements to your proposal. And I think that's really important and valuable to reach the wider Cardano community. So yeah, basically we had to wait a few hours, and then our account was approved, so we could claim our account and our profile. And now we come back here to the Lido Nation Catalyst Explorer website, and we click here on proposals, and we can see that we have our proposal, and that we have here a button to manage it. Okay, here we have a lot of things we can do. We can have Git, like connect our Git repository, GitHub repository, to just stream the Git commit messages to the community, so that the community knows whenever we are updating something. We can also connect with official IOG funding reports, so that people are informed about the project, the reports and Google Forms we need to submit in order to receive funding, and fulfill the community reporting obligations to achieve the milestones and the progress of the project. And then we have here a quick pitch, okay, with 2 minutes or less of our YouTube proposal, just a quick video saying what is the proposal. Okay, we can click here on that quick pitch, and we can just add here a link explaining what is our proposal. Just need to go to YouTube to get your link for the video, and then you just need to paste it here and click on save to add your quick pitch. This is definitely a very cool feature to have, because you can basically promote your project in a very easy way. It's hard to go through all the proposals. There are a lot of proposals, so having this kind of feature allows people to quickly understand what's the proposal all about, and then see if they want to dive deeper, or if it's not that interesting for them. Or at least they get a general overview to understand if it makes sense to vote on this proposal or not. Here's the link, and now we just save it, and that's it. Our quick pitch is saved. Here, coming back to the proposals, to the Catalyst proposals, we can use this tab here to select by what we want. Okay, we have here a card. We can change to the ranking of the projects, what projects are ranked higher here in the community, and we have these projects here ranked higher. And we can also change here to video, see what projects have a quick pitch, and go through the different quick pitch proposals. So that's also a positive thing of adding your quick pitch as a proposer, because at the end of the day, your quick pitch brings attention to your project, which is really, really nice, I would say. And of course, if you want to participate, for example, here in the view, you have the ranking. You can also yourself, after you have an account and you're logged in, you can rank the proposals yourself. You just need to upvote them or downvote them here in the Catalyst app. For example, I'll look at Cardano School, my proposal. I'll just search it. It's here, and we can upvote it if we want to. Okay, and give it a little bit more in the rank. And we can see here there's a light blue that is upvoted right now. Another thing you can do that might be very useful for Catalyst is to use the Catalyst voter tool. And this is very good for everyone interested in Catalyst. You just come here to Catalyst, you click on the voter tool, and then you have your create draft ballot. What is this for? This is basically for you to keep track of the proposals you think you're interested, or the proposals you think are interesting, the proposals you think are bad, and to select them, to add them to a list so that you know and remember which proposals should you vote on and support, and which proposals makes sense to downvote if you think they are really bad for the Cardano future and just a waste of funds in treasury. So basically just create here on create draft ballot, and you start by sharing proposals here, directly here. And in this case, of course, I'll vote on my proposal, so I'll just research it. And I've seen it here, and I'll select this proposal. And then once selected, you have here the category where the proposal is at, that's DAOs Love Cardano. And here you have basically the proposal you selected, in this case Cardano School, our proposal for decentralized content creation, much like Project Catalyst, but for content. And we click here to say that we want to upvote it, which is really, really cool. And you can do this for all the different categories. For example, I've also been working in a proposal with the Burble AI team. You know, we did a collaboration through Catalyst, which is very interesting, to create a platform that will also support content creators with streaming, with tipping, with AI. It's really cool as well. You should check out the proposal as well. And I'll just research this proposal. CryptoStream. CryptoStream, here you have the proposal. We'll click on it, and now it should be added down below. Yes, it is here, the categories of products and integrations. And in this case, we'll upvote this proposal as well, and by clicking here, and we know how we should vote on this proposal. And you can do this for all the proposals you find cool, all the proposals you want to downvote as well. I think this is a very valuable thing for you to keep track of, you know, your Project Catalyst work. You know, you're spending time researching, so it's important to keep track of what projects you think are important and what projects you want to support. So this tool will be very helpful for you. But yeah, basically these are some of the cool functionalities you can use with you know, Catalyst Explorer. I think the filtering is really nice and useful. I think, you know, the quick pitches and being able to come here and just see your quick pitches instead of reading through all the proposals. This is really cool as well, to get a notion, a quick notion of what the proposals are all about in a much more entertaining way. And of course, I think it's also pretty cool that you can start and draft your own ballot, start planning for the projects you really want to vote on. I think that's really nice. So definitely an important tool we can leverage to really make the most out of Catalyst, to make our process going through Catalyst easier. And this was a community built tool, which is really cool. But yeah, of course, as you can imagine, we are now in the community review stage. After that, we are going to move ahead to the new stage that will be the voting stage. Okay, so for that you need to register for voting, and you need to do it before the 18th of August. So I'll leave here in the end video a video about voting registration, how you can register on Catalyst, make sure you have the right wallet to be able to vote and to be able to get your rewards. And even for people that already voted, it's super important to re-register for this round to get their voting rewards. So you'll need to go through that process as well, and that will all be in the video for you. And to make it easier, any questions, you'll probably get the answer there. So on my side, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the video about voting registration.